Hello everyone and welcome to Monotangle Mondays by Zen Gulf Cafe. My name is CZT Sneha and I am CZT 39 batch. Today I am going to be teaching you a tangle called as cogwheel. This is a tangle by Zentangle headquarters. It's called cogwheel. So if you have a tile with you, if you have the basic Zentangle things like graphite, your outliner, a tile, and time, go for it. Come tangle with me. So the first step is we're going to do the 4 dots. I never skip the steps of Zentangle because that is what makes it so calming. Even if I have 10 minutes, I will start with this. I never start a tile to finish it. I start it to just start. I think I am a person who loves to do everything in a rush. I'm a fast tangler too. However, when it comes to Zentangle and the steps that I follow, I always love to make sure that it is never skipping any step. So the first step is drawing the 4 dots, the 4 corners, and then connecting with gratitude. So today I'm grateful to the founders of Zen Gulf Cafe, Dolly and Sulpa, for starting this, for making me a part of it. And sometimes when I stop tangling, when I am busy with my commitments, they somehow, I don't know, sense that I need to be back, and they always give a very happy reminder to me that Zentangle is calling you back. And that is how we are going to draw the next step. So the next step is basically I've drawn a boundary over here, and the boundary is of a heart. So the name of the tangle is cogwheel. However, we are also going to understand why I drew a heart at the end. I'll tell you what is my idea behind it. So now we take an outliner. I've taken a Micron pen. You can take any one that you like. I'm taking using a black Micron. So here we start at the tip of the heart over here, and we're going to draw a very random, not really orbish, but like a very random outline. Okay, and now another one inside, but not an actual aura, another random one, and then again inside. As you tangle, don't forget to breathe. I know we are alive, so we are breathing technically, but how many of us do really breathe, take time and breathe with consciousness? Very few. I mean, it takes reminders like Zentangle, because many times, many CZTs, they remind us to keep breathing. So this is one cogwheel. And if you see, what we did is drew an outliner and then found our way inside over here. And it was not perfect. It is not supposed to be perfect. It is supposed to be curvy, just the way you feel like doing it. So another one, I'm going to start from here. This time I feel like taking it a little bigger. Zen Gulf Cafe is an amazing platform for CZTs to learn, to exchange ideas, lessons, and also most importantly, it is so regular, it is consistent. Every Wednesday you get a chance to learn and to teach. So this is another one. Before becoming a CZT, I had this constant need for symmetry, for doing perfect things. And uh, somehow, Zentangle was also a blessing in disguise to this need for perfection, need for symmetry, because these were the things that would trigger me back then. But it is so amazing that I now give lectures to people if they have that desire that this is not perfect, because there are no mistakes in Zentangle. We learn it faster. There's still CZTs who I know do not like these kind of tangles, and the first one is CZT Sneha, myself. However, when someone challenges me or puts me in a situation where I have to teach it, like this is monotangle Mondays, where in we cannot use other tangles along with it, right? So in that case, then I have to learn and I have to let go of that feeling that I'm only going to do the ones that are in boxes or have that symmetry or are in a grid, because of course my first preference is grid. Like Bales is one of my favorite tangles. However, this is also fun to do. For the first time it happened that I didn't uh, you know even when I got to know which tangle I've gotten, I did not panic. I did not think that I should revise it, because this is the only way you get out of your shell. And sometimes it's important when someone else chooses. And then what you do is the areas that are left, you just draw it half like this, and you draw an aura, because you have to imagine that you're drawing from behind. Take all the spaces like that. So I told you that there's a special reason why I've taken a heart-shaped boundary for this, string for this, and it is because sometimes it's important to sit, to reflect, to listen what's really going on in your heart, to your inner voice. And with Zentangle, I think it's a great way to do it, right? Because you don't realize with the tangles, with the repetitive patterns, how easily your brain can take a very nice break. And also that our emotions are wavy, just like cogwheel. So I don't know what their fundamental thought was while they were making. Now we head on to the shading. So now we are doing the shading. In this one we have done 4 strokes, in this 5, and in this 6. So depending on how you want your cogwheel to look like, to me it honestly looks like a paper that was folded and now we have unfolded it again. So that's why we are shading it in a zigzag way. I had seen this online, someone doing it, and I really appreciate it. So this is what I learned. We will do this for all the cogwheels or whichever we feel like. So feel like giving a little darker graphite shading on this side. Like I said, do whatever your heart says. Sometimes you enjoy and celebrate your decisions, sometimes you learn out of it. However, you will not at least regret not listening to your heart. So yeah, this is what it looks from this side. And I think I love how it looks, so I'm going to put it on top over here too. A little extra over here. Hope you enjoyed doing this along with me. And if you completed your tile and whatever you want to share about how the session went, about the initiative by Zen Gulf Cafe, we would love to listen to your comments. Please write to us. You know our Instagram account, right? And Dolly and Silva are pretty active over there. So this is how the tangle finally the tile looks like. It's time to drop a chop. And so this is the final tile, everyone. Thank you so much for tangling alongside. Be happy, listen to your heart.